How are you, friends? I'm Blessing from Twambo's Investments. I want to walk you through our demo of our software solution called Business Power. It is an online platform where you can do your business from. It has many packages like invoicing, HR for payroll, accounting. So today I'm just going to walk you through the invoicing package so that you have an appreciation of how it can help you move forward as a business. So to access it, in the address bar there, we are going to type dev at Twambos, as you can see. Then we enter that. So we are going to put the username. The username here is called demo at Twambos. That's for you to access the demo. The password is demo123# with a capital letter D. You can find that in the PDF for explaining about business power, about this demo. So for you to start to do an invoicing, to do an invoice, you need to have a client in the system. Say suppose we want to sell to our next client. Let's call the client second client. So you go to address, book there, and there is a menu that appears that is called contacts. Select it. From there on the blue button there, written new, select that one. So there is there are two fields that are marked in red. These are the most important fields that you can create a record. For you to create a record, they must be filled. So you select the first one. Since we want to deal with the client, then the name, we're going to call it second customer, like that. So with all these two fields, all these other fields, all these other fields that are not marked in red, you can edit them later. You go to submit, you submit it. It says record successfully saved. You go back to contacts here. You can see that your last record there, that's the record that we've created here on the list of records. With a slightly green background, that's your list of records. So once you have your client there, we need to go back to home. With those three dots there, select the home icon. Right. Now we go to documents because we need to create a document called an invoice. So we go to documents. Now here, select invoices. Right. Then there on invoicing, I want to sell an item. I want to sell a shoe. So a shoe is already in my database. It's not going to be a problem to pick it, but I'll add another thing that is not in my database so that you see and know how you go about it. So we go to items there, right? Then I hit the new button there. I select the category, products for sale. I want to sell a belt, a leather belt, together with the shoe, right? What are the units for the belt? It's just a unit. Then here is the price. Now my belt cost 150. Right. Then you submit. Record successfully saved. So if you go back to list of items, the belt will be the last thing there. The leather belt and this price, right? Okay. So we go to invoicing. Here we do a new. The date, the due date you can change. Say suppose you want 7 days to pay, and you select the second customer that we've created. Come down here to add a new line. Here we select the shoe because we are selling a shoe and a belt. Add another line. We select the leather belt. There you are. Then you say submit. So when you do this, your invoice is already created in the system. You come back here to invoices. You come here to invoices. You will find that the last thing here to second customer is the invoice that you created. So if you move to your right, there are three dots you find. Say view as PDF there, then you say open, right? So let's just say download again. We want to download this invoice to open it. There it is. As you can see, there's our company logo there in this corner, company details, the details of the invoice, the details of the client who come here. Remember, just put your name, second client customer. If we put the phone number, email address, they are going to appear here. And here on the body of the invoice, there's like a summary of what's on the invoice and everything. So this is how the invoice that is generated. You can click here to share it. You can share via WhatsApp, everything. You can see all this. That's how you can share the document now, which is good, right? So we go back to the app here. Now we'll go back to invoices. So suppose we want to receive payment for this invoice, because there's a paid field here. You can see the total is 350, but the paid field is 0. So we come here and we do go on receipts here, right? Then we select the method. So on methods, you can put your Airtel money, your MTN money, your bank account, your cash as kwacha, cash as US dollars if you're using multi-currency. Then the amount is at 350, right? But note, you cannot put amount greater than the invoiced amount. You see, it has auto-corrected to 350. So you cannot receive more than the invoice that you are receiving for. Then you submit. When it says record successfully saved like that, you scroll to the top here. There's this green icon that looks like a looking glass there. The one below it deletes the receipt. The one above it opens it. So I click the green looking glass to open the receipt. So we open it. You see, there is the receipt and all its details. Right, you see. So it's, again, you can share it, WhatsApp, email, and so that's so much for this demo. This is the invoicing part of the system. I'll be doing more tutorials on how to do the expenses, how to do many other stuff that you can do with the system, how to change your logo, how to change your details. They'll come up in the other series. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel so that you can see and get more videos.